What's going on, you guys? Charles here from the Traders Corner. In this video, it's just going to be another iteration of our Bot in a Day series. Today, you're actually going to see me working on some other things besides just the Quant Connect bot as it relates to coding. I'm also working on basically this bot to use to help me do more like in-depth financial or fundamental analysis on particular securities. So you'll see that, but right now you're also seeing me continue to work on this autocorrelation idea. Something else I tried today as well, or thought to try today, was actually this idea of not only adding in autocorrelation with trending ideas, but maybe, for example, with forex pairs that tend to not trend as much, using autocorrelation to spot times when the market might be ranging, and then try to use ranging ideas with that. Now, I'm finding out that some of the ideas that I built might be having some issues in terms of taking both sides of the trades, which is something that I keep running into. So, it's one of those things where I'm just going to be going through and making sure that it's having, basically everything to do with the idea that I'm trying to employ, and then not so much the actual risk management of it. And so that being the case, that's kind of what I'm working on today, adding in the autocorrelation with the ranges, and I'll let you know how that works out as well. But also, besides just the coding, you're also going to see essentially me working on kind of just more so like a personal exercise plan. I've always been very fit, just by the nature of the things that I was interested in as a kid. Always grew up very much into sports. I played a lot of soccer. That's where Daniel and Isaiah met each other on the soccer team at Howard. So I've always played sports, and so I haven't really had to think or try to be extra fit. But I'm starting to get to that age where it's like, okay, maybe I need to, because I haven't, been playing soccer at the same clip as I was when I was in high school and college and, elementary school, obviously. So going to be working on that just in terms of a personal plan to get more fit and kind of get back into that freshman year, college soccer shape. But other than that, hope you guys are enjoying the video so far and give us some ideas for things you want to see in them.